I was honestly scared when I booked this flight for this my journey. It's not because it's my first time, but because I didn't know what to expect. That was actually my first time flying alone. Yes, my solo trip. And I've not done any kind of airport shenanigans before, like checking in and all of that. I haven't done it before. So this is my first time. Stay tuned. Let's get into the video. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Diamond Godwin, and today episode is my travel. My This is actually my first official YouTube travel as a travel content creator, as a tourist. So this was my first travel because it's not today. So guys, come with me. Let me tell you my honest experience. Guys, I'm not gonna sugarcoat anything. Yes, there's no sugarcoating right here. This is my honest experience. So guys, as I drive through the Abuja beautiful road. Ah god. So guys, on this particular day, like I said earlier, I was scared because I've not done any of this checking or flying alone or anything before. I was a bit skeptical about it, anxiety and all of that. So, but then I told myself, come on, you're a big girl, you can do it, you can do it. So that was how I got to the airport. No, I stood there, I just used my eyes to check my my the airline I was using. So by the way, I used Fly Aero Contractors. That's the airline I used. So immediately I sighted them, I went towards that direction. I had somebody help me with my bag when I was coming in. So I went towards that direction. I greeted them, yo, say welcome in, all those are protocols. So told him I want to check in. He said okay. He requested for my booking. I showed him because I printed it out. It was my first time booking alone. So I printed it. I think I read where they say I print this thing out. So I gave him, and he collected my ID card, which is my passport too. And after much, he gave me back the passport and checked in my bag. So I now carried my other one, asked him, where is your boarding gate? I was trying to maintain steeze and composure. I asked him, where's your boarding gate? He told me where their boarding gate is. So I headed towards their boarding gate, and it's upstairs kind of thing. So I went up, I passed the immigration people, I think so, the security people did, and I went to sit down. You know, while sitting, I was kind of bored because I came a bit earlier. My flight was scheduled for 8:30. Then I left my house around after 6:30. I got there around 7 or thereabout. So that little time I was just using it to make lots of video myself like this. I actually came with my tripod, this AI tripod stand to make video, but I bought it newly. So I didn't know a particular nut in it has already fell in my bag, and because there are a lot of things that I couldn't find it, so I couldn't do the type of video I wanted to do. This thing I wanted to do. I couldn't do it because this thing was not fixed. It was not in order. So guys, fast forward to my flight experience. Oh, it was even raining that very day. Yeah, it rained heavily. So we headed to the flight to enter. They had a bus come pick us up because it was raining, and where the aircraft was parked was a big distance, so we can't walk there. Considering the rain too. So we headed there, we boarded, and salam pretty. Everybody was maintaining steeze and composure. Nobody was talking to nobody and all that until we moved after after all the shenanigans, educating how to put on your seatbelt. Is this seatbelt? Yeah, how to put on your seatbelt and seatbelt. Educating those on at the emergency exit now, educating them how to use it. All those things that all those beautiful air hostess do, yeah. So yeah. So after educating them on how to do and navigate all of that, we left. We entered runway. People of God, besties, my friends. Hmm. I don't know. I think it's called taxing now. Yeah, taxing. When we're about to tax, we move for a bit. So there's a turn in there. I say driver. The pilot made a U-turn and came back from the beginning of that runway again. He proceeded again on that runway. He turned again and came for the second time. I think on the third time, they announced that we are heading back inside the airport, Abuja airport. That there is something, something. We didn't hear it very well. So when we got inside Abuja, they said there is an indicator light that something was wrong. So I would thank God that the driver did not prove stubborn to fly us like that, because we never knew what would have happened. So this is us when we deboarded. They have to deboard us again so that they can fix the whole thing. Guys, we waited. The flight that was scheduled to leave 8:30 a.m. We waited from that time till I think almost 10 or after 10 or 11 thereabouts. Something like that. That was how long we waited. I was already very hungry because I didn't even eat. Like I said, I left my house around after 6 a.m. I couldn't eat. Like I said too, anxiety. Anxiety made me went to airport with empty stomach. Guys, so that was it though. After waiting and waiting, they boarded us again, and that's how we left. And here we landed Port Harcourt International Airport. Guys, welcome to Port Harcourt City. So guys, that was how it flew from
So we
Abuja
just
to
touched
Port
Port
Harcourt, and
Harcourt
the
now.
flight was very
And we're
smooth.
heading
Honestly, I
to.
recommend. And for the fact
Yeah,
that
airport looks
all
better,
these
unlike
things, the
Abuja
pilot
airport.
didn't fly us like that. It was a great stuff. I don't know how to put it. So guys, I made a lot of friends here at the airline, at the flight. I don't know what you call it though. I made friends, one girl, two guys. So this one is my seatmate, Steven. So Steven is my seatmate. The other one is, I've forgotten his name. The lady is, I don't know how to pronounce that name. I'm sorry, baby girl. In case you come across this video, I don't want to spoil your name for you. So guys, we headed to go pick up our luggage because all of us checked in. We went to pick up our luggage, then headed outside, and those taxi there. Oh, we went to book taxi, airport taxi. It was not cheap though. So me and the lady, we booked one, so it will be a bit cheaper for us. We booked one taxi, and they came to drop me at my hotel, the Mattel Gold. That's where I lodged. So guys, this is the backstory of my travel. But so far so good, it was smooth. And right now, baby girl can comfortably book her flight because yes, I didn't book that flight. Yeah, I didn't book that flight because I didn't even know how to book. It's not like if I tried to navigate, I wouldn't. But you know,
Also try.
you never can tell
There are
until
not
you
a lot of
try.
people in there.
Honestly, you just
Port
have
Harcourt
to
is
leave
so dry.
fear
Like,
and try.
unlike
This
where
is
we are
me
coming
encouraging
from,
other people.
Abuja,
Just leave fear
so
and try
this
those
like the
things.
crowd there
I
is
was even
massive.
thinking other
It
time
was
I
massive.
I I flew, I was holding
Hold
my
on
my
to your
friend I
beer
traveled with.
for the
Then
market.
I will be holding, any small shiki. I would just be holding. This one I was a big girl, big girl. So guys, that is the story about my travel. It was smooth all the way, and that is it. Let me allow you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Guys, if you enjoy this my little story, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, a big thumbs up. Drop a comment below. Tell me your flight experience and all that too. And tell me also if you enjoyed this story. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of the video. Hey, guys, don't forget, this is my first official travel. Do you know what it means? It means that I came back with loads of content to share with you guys, and I'm sure you wouldn't want to miss out on any of those content. So subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, turn on bell notification so that whenever I post the next video, you'll be the first to know. See you. Bye bye.